Fanyil BunnyPal has been making waves online as a supposed revolutionary pet toy designed to keep rabbits entertained and engaged. But does it really live up to the hype, or is it just another over-marketed product? After thoroughly examining its features, build quality, and actual user experiences, the results are mixed. The product claims to be interactive and stimulating, but many customers report that their rabbits lose interest quickly or do not engage with it as advertised. The material quality seems decent, though not particularly durable for rabbits that like to chew, which raises concerns about longevity. Some buyers appreciate its cute design and ease of use, while others find it overpriced for what it actually delivers. There are also reports of delayed shipping and issues with customer service, making the buying experience frustrating for some. While a few pet owners have had a positive experience, calling it a fun little addition to their rabbit's playtime, the overall consensus is that it doesn't quite match the marketing claims, and its effectiveness depends largely on the individual pet's temperament. So is Fanyil BunnyPal worth it? If you're expecting a game-changing rabbit toy, you might end up disappointed, but if you're just looking for a simple and cute pet accessory, it might be worth a try. Just manage your expectations accordingly.